Isaac here with Skyline, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about carpet encapsulation. Carpet encapsulation is one of our two primary cleaning methods used to create the perfect cleaning plan for your facility. We have carpet extraction, also known as steam cleaning, and carpet encapsulation, which is more commonly known as a low moisture cleaning method. There are some advantages to using carpet encapsulation, including the fact that it dries within 45 minutes, it's approximately half the cost of carpet extraction, and it's excellent for high traffic areas and commercial facilities. Next, I'd like to show you a little bit about the product we use. This is Encapsulation, the product we use for carpet encapsulation. This is really where the magic happens because the equipment is only applying the product to the carpet and then thoroughly covering the carpet fibers. But the product itself is going to crystallize and allow the soil in the carpet to break free and be vacuumed and cleaned out of the carpet post-cleaning. Finally, I'd like to show you the equipment we use to apply the encapsulation products to your carpet. This is the Cymex, and you can see here on the bottom of the machine that we have 3 counter-rotating heads. And so as this spins, these heads are going to counter-rotate and apply product directly through the center to evenly distribute and agitate your carpets during the application. It makes it extremely efficient because we have the product directly on site, and so by pulling the trigger, we can release the products directly onto your carpet, and this is going to give us the most efficient method of applying this product to your carpet. To summarize, carpet encapsulation is an excellent low moisture cleaning method that works well in commercial facilities and high traffic areas and is approximately half the cost of carpet extraction. To learn more, contact the Skyline team, and a representative will come out and design a specific plan for your facility that'll meet your needs. Contact Skyline to learn more.